Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI replays and Messenger. First let's open up our Messenger just like that, and let's use the chats. For example, when we click on type a message here, we will find that plus thing. We can click on Meta AI, and here we can send some messages with just with using Meta AI. There are too many options that we can use. We can also install an app just like Chatback AI text app, and we need to download that app or that AI, and then when you download that AI, you give it a permission to get through your conversations on Messenger app or Facebook Messenger app. And when you give that permission to that AI, you can it will appear to you once you tap on type a message on the type message bar below this one. So once you click on it, it will appear to you, so you can generate the messages that you want to replay with. Anyways guys, that's the video. That's how to use AI replays and Messenger. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.